In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get initials for all names in Excel. We'll use a quick feature called Flash Fill to turn a list of full names into clean initials in seconds without writing any formulas. Start by clicking into the empty cell where you want the initials for the first person. This is usually a new column directly to the right of the full names. Placing your example right next to the data helps Excel recognize the pattern instantly. Now, type just the first letter of the person's first name. For example, if the name is Taylor Swift, you'd type T. Keep it to a single letter for now. This first example teaches Excel what you want from the first name only. With that single character entered, press Ctrl+E on your keyboard. That runs Flash Fill. Excel will scan the rest of the names and automatically fill the column with the first initial for each one. Take a quick glance down the list to confirm everything looks right so far. Next, return to that very first cell you typed in and place your cursor immediately after the first letter you entered. Now type the first letter of the last name so the cell shows two initials together, like TS. This refines the example, so Excel understands you want both initials, not just the first one. Once you've added that second letter, press Ctrl+E again. Excel updates the pattern and fills two-letter initials for the entire column in one move. A few helpful tips as you check the results. If you want a period or a space between the initials, include it in your example before pressing Ctrl+E, like TS or TS, and Excel will match that formatting for every row. If nothing happens when you press Ctrl+E, make sure your example is in a column directly beside the names and that Flash Fill is turned on. On some keyboards, you might see it under the Data tab as Flash Fill, and on Mac the shortcut is Command+E. If Excel guesses something incorrectly, maybe a name with a middle word or a hyphen, just press Ctrl+Z to undo, adjust your first example to show exactly what you want, and press Ctrl+E again. Remember, Flash Fill writes values, not formulas. If the original names change later, simply repeat the same quick steps to refresh the initials. And that's all it takes to get clean, consistent initials for every name in your list.